I wanted to address two types of students, okay, in this video. So the first type is the student who is giving mock test and who is getting very low mark, okay, or the marks which he is not expected. Okay, he might have expected more mark and he is getting some 20, 30 or something like that. Okay, so he is not able to perform well in his test. And the another type of student is the student who what I could say, the student who has taken mock test and who is getting very good marks. Okay, so both the students. Okay, the very good marks means whatever he is expecting, he is getting. Okay, I need to address both the students through this video. Okay, so first, the students who are getting less mark, okay, in the mock test which you are writing, the suggestion is straightforward, and even I already made many videos about this. But the thing why I am repeating it again, because this is the last 15 days and I hope that all this video will be like a reminder for you. Okay, will just remind you. Okay, right. So the students, if you are getting less mark than what you expected, please don't compare it with your final result. Okay, you would have seen many videos in YouTube, you would have gone through many success stories, or you would have gone through many toppers interview also. Okay, but just I am also making this video because I just want to register it from my side also. Even those who registered for mock test, okay, that is XC mock test in Endurance Engineering Academy also, even though if you are getting less mark, just don't worry about that. Okay, I already given you the reason behind this. The questions which are asked in most of the test series will be at a higher level than that of GATE. If you take GATE, it's going to be very simple for you to get 50 plus or even 60, 50 plus even 60, just by knowing the concepts well and practicing the previous year question properly. Just this two, okay, just this two. Okay, if you know how to operate the calculator, the GATE calculator, and if you have practiced properly the previous year question, and if you know the concepts well, very easy to get 50 plus, 50 to 60, it's very easy. See, more than 60, there are works which you need to do, such as mock test, revision, all those things, but I'm just giving you an idea, right? You are writing a mock test and you are getting 20 marks and you started to feel that, okay, I'm getting 20 marks in this test, and obviously in the final GATE exam also I will get 20. That is not the case. Okay, that is not the case. That's what I'm giving you an example. Just by practicing previous year question, just by knowing the concepts properly and knowing the calculator, GATE calculator, that is important. Just knowing that, you can easily get 50 to 60. Easily you can get 50 to 60. So what else then? That 20 marks which you are getting in mock test is not going to be your final result. Even if you get 20, 30, 40, whatever you get, that is not going to be your final result. Your final result is different from what you are getting in mock. Okay, so that is first thing which I want to register very strongly. Whatever mark you are getting in mock is not going to, it is completely irrelevant. Okay, completely irrelevant of your final result. You might get 10 marks also, but you are not going to get that in the final. Simple example, just by previous year and concepts you can get 50 plus. Then how you can expect that you will get 10 marks? I hope it is clear, right? If you have done your work properly, sincerely, you have done your work properly, sincerely, without doing any mistakes for the 6 months or the 7 months, whatever the preparation time, then that mock test, 10 marks or 20 marks, 30 marks is not going to decide your rank. It's not going to decide your performance. Keep that in mind, register it in mind. I keep on receiving calls and I keep on advising them the same thing. Okay, the same thing. Marks in mock test is completely irrelevant. If you get 30, you are not going to get 30 there. It's ultimately that 3 hours how you are going to perform. And the question level which is asked in GATE, 50 to 60% questions will be easy. But in mock test it is not like that. 20 to 30% only questions will be easy. I am guaranteeing you that. Most of the online test series provider, including Endurance Engineering Academy, I am including myself, only 30 to 40% only questions will be easy. Others will be tough or medium to tough level. So obviously that is not going to happen in GATE. In GATE 50 to 60% questions will be easy. So it's very easy for you to get 60. Right? I'm not saying that you are going to get 60. I'm saying it's very easy, dead easy to get 60. Then again, it depends on your preparation, how you have gone through the process, how well you prepared. All those things will increase your marks from 60 to 70 or from 70 to 80, all those things. Right? So, why I'm suggesting you this? Because this thing will mentally play, okay? It will play mentally with you. It will affect your confidence level, it will bring unnecessary pressure, it will bring stress, fear of failure, self-doubting, and giving up. Many students will give up during this time. Okay, during the last 2 weeks time, many students used to give up. They used to think that, oh my god, this is something which is not for me, I will go for something else. There are students, that is for sure I'm saying that. Okay, there are students who used to give up on this last 2 weeks, but just 14 to 15 days, if you could hold it up, if you could be calm, and if you could keep on continuing your process, whatever you did for the last 6 months, if you're able to do for the next 15 days properly, that will change many things. I won't say that getting a very good rank in GATE will change your future entirely, but it will make your path smooth. That is something. It will make your path smooth. I'm going to say something, even if you get less marks in GATE also, there are many paths. Okay, there are many paths. But if you are getting a good rank in GATE, it will make your path somewhat more smoother path, okay, for your future career. Right. So ultimately, what is the thing? Forget about whatever the mark you are getting in the mock test. Just analyze it. Just if there was any new concept which is available, note it down in your mistake notes, revise it. That's it. Sit for that 3 hours, practice it. Consider the mock test as a practice alone. Don't consider it as a grading. Okay, so the grade will be given by IITs, and that will be given after your GATE exam. This is not going to decide your rank. This is not going to decide your rank. Just you consider this as a practice. Okay. Now, coming to the second category of students who have written mock test and who got very good rank or very good mark, something like 75 or 80 or something like that. One thing which I want to suggest you is, please destroy your overconfidence. The students who are getting less mark in mock will start their confidence level will completely decrease, and they will start giving up. But the students who are getting more mark will start to become more lethargic. See, I'm not joking, or this is not something which is not serious. Okay, even though a student who is capable of getting 70, 80 in the mock test, there are possibility for you to get very less mark in the final GATE. See, I'm not demotivating yourself. Okay, the thing here is, my suggestion is, be very cautious. Don't take don't take the mock test result into your head. Okay, so you don't see the rank also, you don't see the mark also. Write it, find out what are the questions you did it wrong, why you did it wrong, and all those analysis thing. I already made it as a video. I will keep it in the description. Okay, analysis of a mock test. So that is what, for both of them, the suggestion is, don't take mock test mark into your head. Keep it away, concentrate on your process. That's it. Okay, for the first person who has not performed well in mock test, or the second set of students who have performed well in mock test, for both of them, my only suggestion is, your mock test is completely irrelevant to your final GATE exam result. So whatever the mark which you are getting, that is not going to be your final marks. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you. So you will see in the next video then.